Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to Vijayawada to the flood affected areas. In this program, Sadhana Mahila Mandali, Young Soldiers of Christ, and other brethren joined in this program. We have collected certain clothes, blankets, food materials, and milk bottles. We have collected and we are going now.
Water bottles.
Just we have started. The public affected by the flood, they are in the very need of drinking water, food and clothing. So we have planned this program with the grace of God. So thank you all of you, as you have helped us in whatever you have to give. So by God's grace, this is going to be distributed shortly in Vijayawada. And once again, thanks you all for your kind prayers, help and cooperation. So we will meet you, we will report you again after the program completed. Thank you one and all.